Ever imagined your kitchen running on autopilot? Today we're revealing 30 cutting-edge gadgets that transform prep from chaos to convenience. From voice-activated sous vide wands to self-cleaning air fryers, you'll witness a revolution in cooking speed and style. Stick around to see which tool slashes cleanup time and delivers restaurant-quality results in seconds. All product links are waiting in the description, and our website hosts in-depth reviews plus side-by-side comparisons. If these picks help, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you catch every new roundup. Now, let's dive into the list. Comfy Portable Countertop Mini Dishwasher. If your tiny kitchen is drowning in dishes, the Comfy Mini Dishwasher is a sanity saver. It hosts a built-in 5-liter tank so you can drop it on a counter, dorm dresser, or RV table. No water line needed. 6 wash modes, including a steamy sanitized cycle and built-in drying, tackle everything from baby bottles to grimy pans. A surprisingly roomy rack holds 30 items and plates up to 9.5 inches wide, while a dual filter system makes cleanup painless. Portable, power-efficient, and whisper-quiet, it frees time for the fun part: eating. Hamilton Beach 7-quart programmable slow cooker. Potluck season just got easy. Hamilton Beach's 7-quart programmable slow cooker feeds an army while you chill. Mix warm, low, or high heat with cook times from 2 to 10 hours, 15 combos in all, and it auto-switches to keep warm when dinner's done. A locking lid plus wide handles turn the crock into a spill-proof travel buddy. Stoneware insert and glass top are dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes less time than posting your chili selfie. Stress-free flavor ready when you are. Meter Plus Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Meter Plus puts Pitmaster precision in your pocket. The stainless probe pairs to a Bluetooth charger that boosts range to about 165 feet, so you can mingle while your brisket reaches nirvana. Dual sensors read internal and ambient temps, sending flip alerts, rest timers, and ready-to-eat countdowns to the app. No wires, no guesswork, and a quick 15-minute charge fuels hours of cooking. Dishwasher-safe construction means the only thing you'll be scrubbing is praise from guests. Instant Pot Pro Plus. Wi-Fi 10-in-1 6-quart pressure cooker. Think of the Instant Pot Pro Plus as a Swiss Army stovetop that lives on your counter. This Wi-Fi connected 6-quart multi-cooker crams 10 appliances into one: pressure, slow, rice, sauté, yogurt, sous vide, canning, warmer, and steamer. Then layers in an app with 800+ guided recipes you trigger from your phone. A built-in scale and liquid sensor ditch measuring cups, while automatic steam release keeps fingers safe. The stainless pot sears like cast iron and slides into the dishwasher. Seriously, it virtually babysits dinner while you Netflix. Ninja Foodi SP 101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. The Ninja Foodi SP 101 stuffs full-size oven power into a flip-up frame barely bigger than a cutting board. Digital crisp control syncs temperature, heat source, and airflow for oil-free crunch. 8 modes: air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, keep warm, bagel, toast. Ride on 1800 watts that preheat in 60 seconds. Fits a 13-inch pizza or 9 slices of toast, then folds vertical to reclaim 50% of your counter. Less space, less fat, more crunch. What's not to love? Typher Dome 2 extra-large self-cleaning air fryer. Hosting the wing party of the year? The Typher Dome 2 says bring it on. Its cavernous basket cradles 32 wings, then blasts them with superior airflow and dual heaters for 30% faster cook times. The PFAS-free ceramic coating releases crisp food, wipes clean, and a steam-powered self-clean cycle scrubs the rest. Touch controls, smart presets, whisper-quiet fans, and dishwasher-safe accessories mean all you'll hear is compliments. Never the word greasy. SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Bundle. Kick canned seltzer to the curb with the SodaStream Terra. Snap in the Quick Connect carbon dioxide cylinder, press once, and fresh bubbles appear in under 10 seconds. No outlet required. The starter bundle includes a dishwasher-safe 1-liter bottle and flavor drops so you can riff from grapefruit fizz to cola clones. Users love the slim footprint and the cash savings versus store-bought sparkling water. Plus, it slashes single-use plastic, earning bonus planet points. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Whether you crave Benedict's at dawn or deviled eggs at midnight, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker nails perfect shells every time. Load up to 6 eggs, add the measured splash of water, press one button, and walk away. Soft, medium, or hard-boiled all beep ready in minutes, saving water and energy. It also poaches or scrambles with included trays, and the tiny footprint hides in any dorm or camper. Dash even backs it with a satisfaction guarantee for extra breakfast confidence. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Stop patting lettuce dry with paper towels. OXO Salad Spinner turns a soggy chore into a one-handed party trick. Pump once to send greens swirling, hit the patented break when they're crisp and ready. A non-slip ring locks the clear bowl to your counter, and the basket doubles as a colander. The flat locking lid stores compactly, parts are dishwasher safe, and recipe developers swear by it for spin-drying herbs before sautéing. Fresher leaves, zero fuss. Ninja NC 301 Creamy Ice Cream and Gelato Maker. Meet the Ninja Creamy, the countertop wizard that turns frozen pucks into creamy dreams in 2 minutes. Freeze your base overnight, drop in the pint, and stainless blades shave, then whip ice cream, gelato, sorbet, or protein-packed smoothie bowls on command. Mix-in programs fold cookies without melting the batch, and XL capacity keeps the family happy. Cleanup is a quick rinse, making dessert a nightly possibility. No rock salt, no waiting, just pure scoopable joy. Vitamix Food Cycler FC50 Countertop Composter. Compost without the fruit fly circus thanks to the Vitamix Food Cycler FC50. Toss veggie peels, coffee grounds, even chicken bones into the chamber, hit start, and in 4-8 hours you're left with a dry, nutrient-rich soil booster that shrinks waste by up to 90%. Dual carbon filters squash odors, and the Whisper Quiet motor integrates seamlessly into daily life. The removable bucket is dishwasher safe, and gardeners will love the mineral-dense amendment it produces year-round. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer oven. When weeknight hunger hits, the Instant Vortex Plus answers in crispy surround sound. 6 functions: air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, span 95-400 degrees Fahrenheit, and even crisp technology channels heat for fluffy inside, crackly outside fries. One-touch presets handle wings or cinnamon rolls, and little to no preheat means dinner beats delivery. Pull out the non-stick basket, toss it in the dishwasher, and enjoy all the flavor with almost zero oil. Ninja IG 651 Foodie Smart XL Pro Grill and Griddle. Rain in the forecast? Fire up the Ninja Foodie Smart XL Pro and grill indoors without smoke alarms screaming. The 7-in-1 system sears steaks at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, flips to a flat top for pancakes, and air fries fries in the same hood. A built-in smart thermometer tracks 2 proteins at once and auto shuts off at your chosen doneness. Open flat cooking fits 6 burgers and plates plus splatter shield pop in the dishwasher. Backyard flavor, countertop convenience. Kozori Pro The 3 Dual Blaze 6.8 quart air fryer. Kozori's Pro The 3. Dual Blaze flips the script with heaters top and bottom, eliminating mid-cook basket shakes for edge-to-edge browning. The 6.8 quart basket feeds 5, and the VSync app lets you tweak temps from the couch, even with voice control. Smart sensors prevent overcooking, while the anodized basket shrugs off metal utensils. Firmware updates roll in new recipes, so this countertop commander actually gets smarter over time. Breville Joule Turbo Sous Vide Machine. Breville's Joule Turbo is sous vide for people who hate waiting. Turbo mode uses cloud algorithms to deliver restaurant-level chicken, steak, or salmon in roughly half the usual time. Clip the slim wand to any pot, tap your desired doneness in the Joule app, and autopilot guides you through sealing, searing, and serving. A magnetic base stands upright for easy storage, and at just 1100 watts, it keeps your energy bill calm. Science never tasted so good. KitchenAid Cordless 5-Cup Food Chopper. Slice prep time, literally, with KitchenAid's cordless chopper. A 5-cup BPA-free work bowl teams up with a razor-sharp stainless multi-purpose blade to mince onions, whip pesto, or crush nuts in seconds. One-handed speed control toggles between pulse and turbo, while the drizzle basin streams oil for silky mayo. A full USB charge powers 40 onions. A 10-minute quick charge saves dinner in a pinch. No cord means move it from counter to patio without outlet hunts. Dishwasher-safe parts make the encore as effortless as the performance. Univolt 12 Electric Indoor Pizza Oven. Rain can't stop pizza night when the Univolt 12 heats your kitchen to Napoli temps. Twin heating elements and a triple-layered stone ramp to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, crisping leopard-spotted crusts in 90 seconds flat. Dial the top-to-bottom heat ratio for Detroit, Neapolitan, or New York styles, and built-in boost revives the stone between pies. Digital controls, interior LEDs, and a cool touch shell tame the fire-breathing beast. Plug it into a standard outlet and craft artisanal pizza. No propane tank, no backyard required. Dash Tasty Crisp Digital Compact Air Fryer. Small kitchen, giant cravings? The Dash Tasty Crisp delivers fry shop crunch with a footprint smaller than a coffee maker. Rapid air circulation and a 100-watt heater blast snacks 30% faster than a full oven while slashing oil up to 80%. A digital dial offers precise temp and 60-minute timer. No analog guesswork. The 2.6-quart basket fits a batch of fries or 6 wings, and its dishwasher-safe non-stick coating wipes clean in seconds. Light, colorful, and budget-friendly, it's the perfect dorm, RV, or studio sidekick. Chefman Electric Crepe Maker and Griddle. Flip cafe-level crepes in your PJs with Chefman's 12-inch electric griddle. Adjustable 1200-watt heating coils create edge-to-edge consistent temps, while the included batter spreader and wooden spatula guarantee wafer-thin perfection. Non-stick Guardian coating slides off blintzes, tortillas, or omelets with zero tearing. The Cool Touch base and power indicator light keep fingers safe. The rimless design doubles as a pancake or quesadilla griddle. Post-brunch, a single swipe cleans the surface, and the compact profile slides into any cabinet until the next pastry craving strikes. Instant Omni Pro 19-quart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Why juggle appliances when the Omni Pro does 14 jobs at once? This 19-quart Titan rotisseries a chicken, air fries proof dough, dehydrates fruit, and bakes a 12-inch pizza, all under one stainless roof. Even crisp convection drives 360 degrees airflow for golden outsides and tender centers, while SyncCook mirrors settings between the top and bottom heating elements so both trays finish together. Probe Control nails internal temps without babysitting. Touchscreen presets and a whisper quiet fan make set it and forget it more reality than slogan. Lodge LGP 3 Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron Grill Press. Channel diner vibes at home with Lodge's Cast Iron Grill Press. Pre-seasoned in soybean oil, the hefty 6.5-inch slab flattens bacon, paninis, and smash burgers for faster cook times and even sears. Ribbed underside stamps, restaurant-worthy grill marks while draining grease for healthier bites. The Stay Cool wooden handle keeps your mitts safe when you're flipping batches. Compatible with gas, induction, campfire, or grill, it's virtually indestructible and improves with every use. One simple tool, decades of crispy potential. Presto Zero 2910 Salad Shooter Electric Slicer Shredder. Skip the chef knife, the Presto Salad Shooter turns whole blocks and produce into perfectly sliced, shredded, or ripple-cut goodness right over the bowl. 4 interchangeable cones tackle cheese, veggies, nuts, even chocolate. No pre-cutting thanks to the extra-wide food chamber, and everything except the motor base goes straight into the dishwasher. Lightweight yet powerful, it's a weeknight time saver for coleslaw, hash browns, or stir-fry prep. Compact storage means you'll actually keep it on hand, not buried in cabinet purgatory. Topist Angry Mama Microwave Steam Cleaner. Let Angry Mama rage clean your microwave while you chill. Unscrew her hair, fill the torso with vinegar and water, then nuke for 7 minutes. Vents in her crown blast superheated steam that softens caked spaghetti sauce and exploded oatmeal. Wipe with a cloth, done. BPA-free, dishwasher-friendly, and reusable, she ditches harsh chemicals and adds a playful vibe to chore time. The humorous design sparks conversation, making cleanup a little less, well, angry. Revolution R180S Instaglow Touchscreen Toaster. Revolution's R180S turns breakfast into a light show. Instaglow heating elements glow infrared hot in seconds, locking moisture inside bread while crisping the shell. A vivid touchscreen lets you select food type, fresh or frozen state, and custom shade, then remembers your favorite. From bagels to waffles, sensors auto-adjust time for pixel-perfect results. Bonus, it doubles as a digital photo frame and live weather station when idle. Sleek stainless styling plus crumb tray reminders make this the Tesla of toasters. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric One-Touch Can Opener. Open cans without the hand strain. Kitchen Mama's One-Touch Opener latches, circles, and lifts the lid. No twisting, no sharp edges. 2 AA batteries power hundreds of cans, and auto-stop tech halts once the job's done. Its ergonomic profile suits arthritic hands and budding chefs alike, while the magnetic lid holder keeps fingers away from jagged metal. Compact enough for drawers and RVs, this gadget proves small motors can deliver big independence in the kitchen. GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. Upgrade every sip with chewable Sonic-style nugget ice on demand. The Opal 2.0 crafts its first scoop in 10 minutes and churns 24 pounds per day, storing 3 pounds at a time. Side tank top-offs extend runtime, while built-in Wi-Fi lets the Smart HQ app schedule batches or trigger cleaning reminders. Interior LEDs show ice levels, and a sleek stainless housing complements modern counters. Self-cleaning plus antimicrobial filters keep cubes pristine, because great cocktails start with perfect ice. KitchenAid K 400 Variable Speed Blender. Turn fibrous kale into velvet smoothies with the K400's asymmetric blade and IntelliSpeed motor that senses load and maintains momentum. 5 speeds, a pulse, and 3 presets, Ice Crush Icy Drink Smoothie, handle everything from nut butter to frozen margaritas. The thick-walled 56-ounce jar withstands thermal shocks, and its soft start ramps up gently to prevent splatter. A single dial interface keeps things foolproof, and the self-clean cycle completes in 60 seconds. No screwdriver disassembly required. Philips Premium Air Fryer XXL. Feed the squad guilt-free with Philips' Air Fryer XXL. Twin TurboStar fans swirl heat like a tornado, whisking away excess fat for up to 90% less oil. The 7-quart basket fits a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, while fat removal technology drains drippings into a removable tray. Digital presets simplify fish, cake, or dehydrated fruit, and the Keep Warm button holds perfection until plates are ready. All detachable parts are dishwasher safe, finger-licking flavor, minimal cleanup. Ninja Thirsty WC 101 Drink System Soda Maker. Thirsty your way, this countertop bar carbonates flavors and chills water in a single tap. Choose light or classic fizz, then twist in flavor pods, iced coffee, lemonade, or vitamin boosts for a custom beverage with zero mess. A digital display tracks carbon dioxide levels and reminds you to swap the dishwasher-safe bottle. Max Auto Chill cools drinks 7 hex faster than a fridge, tackling post-workout hydration on command. With reusable bottles and recyclable pods, it's kinder to wallets and landfills alike. Mueller Pro Series 10-in-1 Vegetable Chopper. Knife skills optional, the Mueller Pro Series Cube Cuts prep time with 8 interchangeable stainless blades that dice, spiralize, ribbon, or julienne produce in one swift press. A 1.2-liter catch tray keeps counters tidy, and the safety lock lid doubles as a grip for stable slicing. Rubber feet prevent countertop skids, while the finger guard and cleaning claw keep digits safe post-chop. BPA-free, top-rack dishwasher-friendly, and compact enough for tiny kitchens, it's a meal prep MVP for salad fanatics and low-carb cooks alike. Thanks for watching. If you found a gadget that could level up your kitchen game, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your pick. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more clever Amazon finds, and share this with someone who needs a cooking upgrade. We've got more time-saving, space-saving, and mind-blowing gadgets coming your way, so stay tuned and click that bell to never miss an update.